Hello YouTube. I'm going to do something different right now because I'm getting to the point that the hypocrisy on the left is just out of control. I want to show something to everybody on the internet and on YouTube, and I'm hoping you pass this along because it is the truth. This is not fake news. This is real news. You see that number? 26,171 in 2016. 26,171 drone strikes that Barack Obama unleashed in 2016 alone. 26,171 drone strikes. And out of those 26,000 plus drone strikes just for 2016, do you not think any children weren't killed or civilians? If you believe that 26,000 plus drone strikes did not kill a single innocent person, then there's no hope for you. So I don't want to hear anything about the poor children from the Democratic Party when they supported in 1 year over 26,000 plus drone strikes in Barack Obama's final year in office. 26,171. That's the truth. That's real news. That you won't hear on the mainstream media. But it's real. And they won't tell it. 26,171 drone strikes in 2016 by Barack Hussein Obama. And the Democratic left wants to cry about children? Right here. That's hypocrisy. That's what's wrong with the United States of America right now. Take care and God bless.